Have you ever wondered how to get started with cryptocurrencies? Well, you've come to the right place. Welcome to the fascinating world of cryptocurrencies, a digital frontier that's reshaping the way we think about money and transactions. Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for security. They're decentralized, operating on technology called blockchain, a distributed ledger enforced by a disparate network of computers. They're a new kind of asset, a blend of currency, commodity, and technology. In today's digital economy, cryptocurrencies are becoming increasingly important. They offer potential benefits like lower transaction costs, enhanced financial inclusion, and increased privacy. Yet they also come with risks, such as market volatility and regulatory uncertainties. Whether you're interested in the technology behind cryptocurrencies or see potential for financial gain, it's crucial to understand their inherent complexities. Now that we have a basic understanding of cryptocurrencies, it's time to explore how to get started. The first step in your cryptocurrency journey is setting up a digital wallet. Just as you need a physical wallet to store your traditional money, you need a digital wallet to store your cryptocurrency. But what is a digital wallet? Well, it's a software application that allows you to buy, sell, and manage your cryptocurrencies. It's your personal interface to the cryptocurrency network, just like how your online bank account is an interface to the traditional monetary system. Now, there are different types of digital wallets you can use, each with its own pros and cons. We have software wallets, hardware wallets, mobile wallets, and web wallets. Let's briefly delve into each. Software wallets are applications downloaded on your computer. They offer high levels of security but require some tech savviness. Then we have hardware wallets. These are physical devices that store your cryptocurrency offline. They are considered the most secure wallets, but they could be a bit expensive. Mobile wallets, on the other hand, are apps on your smartphone. They offer convenience as you can use them anywhere, even at physical stores. However, they can be vulnerable to hacks. Lastly, web wallets. These are accessed through internet browsers. They are easy to use, but bear in mind your private keys are stored online and could be a target for hackers. So, how do you set up a digital wallet? First, you pick the type of wallet that suits your needs. Then, you download the application or purchase the device. You'll then go through a setup process where you'll create a password. Remember, this password is crucial for your wallet's security, so make it strong. Most wallets will then provide you with a recovery phrase. This is a series of words that you can use to recover your wallet if you lose your password. Keep this phrase safe and secure. Once you have your password and recovery phrase, congratulations. You've set up your digital wallet. With your digital wallet in place, you're now ready to buy your first cryptocurrency. Buying your first cryptocurrency can be a thrilling experience. It's the moment you step into the fascinating world of digital finance, where opportunities seem as infinite as the blockchain itself. But before you dive in, it's important to understand where and how to make your first purchase. Enter the cryptocurrency exchange. Think of it as a digital marketplace, much like a stock exchange where you can buy, sell, and trade different cryptocurrencies. It's the most common place for people to acquire their first digital coins. Choosing a reputable exchange is crucial. Safety, security, and user-friendliness should be your top priorities. Look for exchanges with a strong track record, robust security measures, and positive user reviews. Some popular ones include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken, but there are many others out there, so do your research. Once you've picked an exchange, the next step is creating an account. This process can vary between platforms, but generally, it involves providing some personal information, verifying your identity, and setting up two-factor authentication for added security. Remember, always use a strong, unique password for your accounts. Now it's time for the exciting part, buying your first cryptocurrency. Here's a simple step-by-step guide. First, deposit funds into your exchange account. This is typically done through a bank transfer or by using a credit or debit card. Next, navigate to the buy, sell, or trade section of the exchange. You'll see a list of available cryptocurrencies. Choose the one you want to buy. Enter the amount you wish to purchase. You can specify this in terms of the cryptocurrency itself or the amount you want to spend in your local currency. Finally, review your purchase and hit the buy button. Voila! You've just bought your first cryptocurrency. Remember, investing in cryptocurrencies can be risky, so always start with an amount you can afford to lose. Congratulations on buying your first cryptocurrency, but what's next? Understanding the cryptocurrency market is crucial to making informed investment decisions. It's like learning a new language, but instead of words and phrases, you're decoding numbers and charts. So let's dive in. First off, the price of a cryptocurrency is the amount of money it costs to buy one unit. This value changes constantly based on supply and demand. When more people want to buy a particular cryptocurrency than sell it, the price goes up. Conversely, when more people want to sell than buy, the price goes down. Now, volume refers to the number of coins that are traded within a certain period. High volume usually indicates a lot of activity and interest in the coin. This can be a sign of a significant price movement on the horizon. Next, we have market cap or market capitalization. It's a measure of a cryptocurrency's total value. It's calculated by multiplying the price of a coin by the total number of coins in circulation. Market cap gives you a clear picture of a cryptocurrency's size relative to others. Volatility is another key concept. This term refers to the rate at which the price of a cryptocurrency increases or decreases. In simple terms, it's how much the price fluctuates. Cryptocurrencies are notoriously volatile, which can mean big gains but also big losses. Understanding these basic market concepts is crucial, but equally important is being able to read cryptocurrency charts and understanding market trends. Charts can provide a wealth of information about a cryptocurrency's past performance, which can help predict future trends. They show price movements over time, and patterns within these movements can give clues about what might happen next. So remember, the cryptocurrency market is a complex beast. It's influenced by many factors, from global economic conditions to the sentiments of individual investors. But by understanding these basic concepts and learning to read charts, you're equipping yourself with the tools to make sense of it all. With this knowledge, you can start to navigate the cryptocurrency market more confidently. Safeguarding your investments is an essential part of your cryptocurrency journey. Let's delve into the significance of security in the world of cryptocurrency and the practical steps you can take to fortify your digital wallet against potential threats. Consider this. Just as you wouldn't leave your physical wallet unattended in a public place, you shouldn't neglect the security of your digital wallet. It's the gateway to your investment, and it needs to be protected. And how do we do that? Well, one of the most effective ways is through two-factor authentication, often abbreviated as 2FA. This method requires two separate forms of verification to access your wallet, thereby adding an extra layer of security. It's like having a double-locked door, which is harder for intruders to breach. Next, you need to make sure that your wallet software is regularly updated. Much like how you would maintain a car to keep it running smoothly, maintaining your wallet's software is crucial. Updates often come with security enhancements that fix vulnerabilities, making your wallet less susceptible to attacks. Furthermore, you should always be vigilant when it comes to phishing attempts. Phishing is a common form of cyber attack where the attacker tries to trick you into revealing your sensitive information. Always double-check the source of any communication related to your wallet. Lastly, consider using a hardware wallet if you hold a significant amount of cryptocurrency. These devices store your private keys offline, away from potential online threats. It's like storing your precious jewels in a safe instead of a jewelry box. Remember, the cryptocurrency world is full of opportunities, but it also comes with risks. By taking these precautions, you can help ensure the safety of your investments. After all, your hard-earned cryptocurrency deserves the best protection. So don't take security lightly. Make it a priority, just as you would with any other valuable possession. By taking these precautions, you can help ensure the safety of your investments. In this video, we've covered a lot of ground on how to get started with cryptocurrencies. We kicked things off by introducing you to the world of cryptocurrencies, explaining what they are and how they work. Next, we delved into the process of setting up a digital wallet. We talked about how crucial this is for storing and managing your cryptocurrencies securely. Then we moved on to the exciting part, buying your first cryptocurrency. We shared some tips and tricks on how to navigate this step successfully. After that, we took a deep dive into understanding the cryptocurrency markets. We discussed how to monitor market trends and make informed investment decisions. Lastly, we emphasized the importance of safeguarding your investments. We touched on some key strategies to ensure your hard-earned investments are well protected. With these steps, you're well on your way to becoming a savvy cryptocurrency investor. Remember, knowledge is power in the world of cryptocurrencies.